My name is Dorothy Hairston Mitchell. I am a district court judge here in Durham, North Carolina. I went to the North Carolina Central University School of Law, and I'm actually a double eagle. I went to undergrad there as well. I joined the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers because it's important to me to be involved with an organization of like-minded people, and because they have done so many great things in North Carolina and really nationally to make sure that our issues for Black people and other minority groups stay at the forefront of the discussions that should be taking place. And I particularly got back involved this year and joined because I know that if we're in a revamping stage, and I want to make sure that I be a part of that, because we need to make sure, especially in these days and times that we're in, that our voices are being heard. So NCABL has impacted my career in that I was around lawyers and judges. Actually, it started when I was in undergrad. So I worked with an attorney, James Rogers, here in Durham, and one of the events that he attended every single year was the annual meeting for the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers. So as an undergrad student, I got around lawyers and judges at that event. And so I learned at that early age and that early time, I always knew I wanted to go to law school. So I learned even then that there are people across the state that I could, lean on, that I could contact. I made connections with people early on. And so that just poured into me even that much more and fueled the interest that I had to attend law school, and it got me that much more excited about going to law school and becoming a lawyer. And now it's impacted me because it's a resource that is always there. They always have CLEs, they have people, a connection of people that I can always call if I have a question about something, or I want to refer somebody to, a lawyer in Charlotte and I'm here in Durham. When I was practicing, I could, refer people to people. And then it's just a sense of support. As a judge especially, I know that there are lawyers across the state, and I can always go to those folks in the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers and know that we got the support there no matter what. I would tell a young person that it's extremely important to join any organizations that could pour into you in any way, that will fuel you as a young lawyer. But especially if you're a minority lawyer and you're here in North Carolina, the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers is absolutely the organization that you should be a part of, because there's no other organization in North Carolina that is comprised of a group of lawyers and judges and other legal professionals that look like us. It just simply isn't. It's important for you to be involved with people that are going to have your best interests at heart, be able to speak to you about different things, and that collaboration that you can be a part of. They always have different events in which you can be involved with professionally with these folks, but you can also have some downtime when you can see these lawyers and judges they are real people, and you can have somebody that you can lean on. And you're gonna get that organization is gonna get you in front of those people and connected with those people and those resources that across the state. The membership benefit that I find most valuable would be the continuing legal education programs, as well as the annual meeting. I think that we all have to, as lawyers and judges, have to have continuing legal education credits each year. So the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers is always very mindful of the types of programs that would be of interest to us as minority lawyers. And so they put on great programs in that regard, as well as those annual meetings allow us to be able to have that connection with the lawyers and the judges and the different people that are members of the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers from across the state. So it gives us an opportunity to come together, see each other, fellowship, as well as learn about great things that we need to learn about. If you are on the fence about joining, you should get off that fence really, really fast, because this organization needs you. And the young people especially need to be involved and in the space with the more seasoned lawyers and judges and folks so that they can keep their interest fueled, because they're going to be the generation that's going to keep this going forward. And if we don't have our members, all of our minority members being involved in the North Carolina Association of Black Lawyers, then the young people are not going to feel like it's important for them to be involved. So we need to make sure that we get our membership up.